Hi, I'm Joe Pure with Blue Model Consulting. And today I'd like to show you SAP Predictive Analytics on HANA. In this example, we are the merchandising operations manager for a national drugstore chain. We've noticed a slow decline in allergy medication sales. So we are launching a new allergy product. We want to make sure our launch will be successful. So the first thing to do is find the right locations for our launch. So as we can see here, we have our data, and we can see that seasonal medication sales have been declining for the past few years. We have 5 years of data here. We can then use SAP Predictive Analysis to take a look at our data set and determine the best locations to launch our new product. Here we have some data that comes from our loyalty card program, so we can see a bunch of demographic info for our customers based on city. So we can take a look at age, income, all kinds of data to determine the best place to launch our new product. We can also visualize this data in a number of ways. In this case, we're taking a look at age, so the larger the font of the city name, the higher the average age in that city. The next step is to design the right plan for this product launch. So we're taking a look here at products that are recorded by our loyalty card program. We want to take this data and correlate what products are actually sold with our allergy medication typically. So in this case, we're going to run an analysis, and we can see that eye drops and allergy medication are typically sold with or together, as well as tissues are also sold with those two products. So we can determine a good campaign would be to actually give free tissues with the purchase of this new allergy product to boost sales. So we can see this pink bubble here shows tissues and allergy medication, and there is a high correlation of those two products being purchased together based on our data. And so we're taking a very large volume of data here and analyzing that quickly to determine our best approach for launching this new product. And once again, we have our demographic data. So we've now determined the right locations, designed a plan, in which case we're going to actually give a free product to the customers to boost sales. Now we have to monitor our sales execution. So in this case, this would be an iPad view. You can see in real time, wherever you are, key metrics like sales and inventory level using this business intelligence dashboard view. So let's say we're in day 5 of the launch here, and we can see that we have a store in red, and that's our New York store. So our target sales are much higher than our actual sales. So we're falling below target. So in this case, we want to determine what's going on. So we can take a look here and see that inventory level is sufficient, so it's not an out-of-stock problem. And we can also compare overall sales for that store and customer inflow and see that it's not an issue of not having enough customers in the store either. So now we're taking some additional data. We have a heat map for foot traffic based on store data. So we've put this in the system, and we can quickly visualize that our allergy display is not in a high traffic area. So that could be the cause of our lower than expected sales. So in this case, we're going to actually correct this. So we can choose a couple of different accounts to actually push this data out to other people in our company. And we're going to add a task. We're going to tell them to move this to a higher traffic area. Once this is done, we can have whoever did that upload a photo on their mobile device and send that to us to confirm the task was completed. And then we can visualize our data again after this correction. So we can now see our store is green. We can see that our sales have gone up. So based on this change in location of the allergy display, we now have higher sales of that product. And we can also take a look at our dashboard and see that trend as well. So what we've done here is, based on large volumes of data, we've crunched that data in real time, come up with a good strategy for our new product launch, executed that strategy, analyzed the data in real time, and then corrected that based on some insufficient sales, and then once again visualize the data so we can see from our mobile device anywhere we are that we did indeed fix that problem. If you would like to see how your business can benefit from these solutions, please contact Sabrina Sigourney with Blue Marble Consulting. You can check out our website at simplesap.com or contact us at either of these two phone numbers.